Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I've got a brand new beauty box from Boots to share with you. Unfortunately, it's sold out. Well, it says on the website, stock currently, what does it say? Hold on. It currently says stock coming soon. Sometimes we see beauty boxes come back in stock, so if you're really interested in this beauty box, it's all Korean beauty. It's no wonder it's sold out. Whenever brands do K-beauty, they do. They sell out super fast. I'll put a direct link in my description anyway, or there's usually like a heart or something next to the product. So if you click that, then hopefully you'll be sent a notification to say it's back in stock. So if you were to have bought it, it would have cost you £40, and it has 9 products, 8 of which are full size, and it is worth £126. So a really great saving, and the fact that it's nearly all full sizes. It does not shock me that it went out of stock. It contains one of my favourite SPFs as well. A little sneak peek for you. So you'll find a link down in my description, as I mentioned, but down there you also see all my discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. Right, there's no information booklet in here, so I'll just get on to going through them one by one. Starting off with one of my favourite SPFs. This is Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun Rice and Probiotics SPF 50. This feels amazing on my skin. It is such a lovely SPF, and it's quite affordable. I think it's around £15. So not really expensive, but it's non-greasy and it doesn't leave like a white cast either. Definitely recommend it, especially if you've got sensitive skin as well. So there's that. Next we've got Isntree. This is a hyaluronic acid moist cream. Non-irritating moisturising cream. And there's 100 mils here. It says 10 types of hyaluronic acid and natural moisturising factors help to lock in the moisture of the skin. I wonder if I've already got this one. The packaging seems familiar. I might have an Ampoule instead, maybe. I've definitely got something from this brand. Whenever I see a Korean beauty box, I have to get it. It's a deep moisturiser, balances oil and moisture. Yeah, 10 types of hyaluronic acid. It sounds a nice one. We've got Haru Haru Wonder. This is a black rice hyaluronic toner. The first essence for sensitive skins. I haven't tried this one before. There's lots of information on the boxes, but they don't really tell you much about the products at all. Just apply evenly and pat to fully absorb it. That is it. So I'll have to look on the Boots website to find out more information about this. Black rice hyaluronic toner. We've got an eye cream, again from Haru Haru Wonder, black rice bakuchiol eye cream. Bakuchiol is a natural type retinol. Good for anti-aging. It says for reduced appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It contains Cica collagen, a retinol alternative. We got a Laneige, and this is a lip glowy balm in berry. So this must be the sample, or maybe this one. What is this? No, this is the small one. This is full size. Lip glowy balm. I love Laneige. What's it like? Oh yeah, it's just like their sleep masks. Their lip masks. Yeah, beautiful. There's a little hint of a tint there. We've got a Mixoon, a bean cleansing oil, and there's 20 mils. Anyone? Woo! You'll not be able to see anything. It's a cleansing oil there. Does it say? No. Bean cleansing oil. Is it a black bean? No, what type of bean? I don't know. Oh, I've got this one already. This is Madagascar Centella Ampoule, made with pure centella from Madagascar, and this is Skin 104 or Skin 1004. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but it's calming and hydrating daily care ampoule. So really great for sensitive skins that suffer from redness, like rosacea and things like that. I can't remember where I got it, but I've been sorting out all my beauty stuff that I've had over Christmas with all the advent calendars and things, and me and my daughter's finally gone through it all properly. The lighting is not great at all. I hope looking on the viewfinder, it looks like I'm really dark. Hopefully you can see me okay. But yeah, my little beauty room is our hallway outside my bedroom door here, and I remember thinking, yeah, I'm really impressed with that. Then we have got, this is Round Lab 1025 Doc Do Cleanser, 150 mils. Completed ultrafine particles cleansing test. This cleansing bubble foam, which contains triple hyaluronic acid and ceramide NP. The cleanser neatly removes invisible ultrafine particles. It sounds like an exfoliating cleanser, doesn't it? Big one. So it's a cleansing bubble foam. I thought it might have some exfoliating like things in there. No, it's not. And it doesn't smell either. So yeah, cleansing bubble foam. That might be quite funny to use. And then lastly, we've got a sheet mask. And this is Biodance Biocollagen Real Deep Mask. Probiotics, I can't even say that. Galactomyces. Ferment, filtrate, low molecular hyaluronic acid solution, low molecular collagen, hydrating, pore minimizing and firming. Ooh. A hydrogel mask formulated by solidifying a 1.19 ounce of highly concentrated Ampoule infused with ultra low molecular weight collagen and hyaluronic acid to improve resiliency and replenish moisture. The addition of adenosine and, can't say it, what is it? Galactomyces, ferment, filtrate, firms and boosts elasticity. Yeah, I love the sound of that. So that is the K Beauty Edit from Boots. Really, really gorgeous box there. We've got everything, haven't we? We've got a sheet mask, we've got a foaming cleanser, we've got an oil cleanser, good for double cleansing. How can I do this in order? We've got an eye cream, we've got a toner, we've got an Ampoule, we've got an eye cream, we've got a moisturizer, and we've got an SPF, and we have got a lip balm as well. So a full skincare routine for £40 and it has a value of 126. Yeah, I'm not surprised it's sold out, definitely. Well, I hope this means that Boots will do more of these Korean beauty edits. Hopefully, anyway. And if I hear that this box does come back in stock, then I will let you know straight away. So if you're not already following me on Instagram or Facebook, then you will find all the details down below in my description. So there's links there. But yeah, let me know what you think and if you bought it for yourself. And yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.